Hi. Welcome to Piku Auto Updates. Today we will discuss about 2025 Hero Xtreme 200S. Before starting video, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel. The 2025 Hero Xtreme 200S is a popular sports bike known for its stylish design, advanced features, and efficient performance. Here are the key features of the 2025 Hero Xtreme 200S. Design and exterior. Sporty full-fared design, sleek and aerodynamic bodywork with sharp lines and aggressive styling. LED lighting, advanced LED headlamps, tail lamps, and turn indicators for better visibility and a contemporary look. Engine and performance. Engine, 199.6 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, air-cooled, four-stroke engine, potentially with improvements for better efficiency and performance. Power output, around 18.1 brake horsepower of power at 8,500 RPM and 16.45 Nm of torque at 6,500 RPM. Transmission, 5-speed manual transmission for smooth and precise gear shifts. Fuel injection, enhanced fuel injection technology for improved fuel efficiency, performance, and throttle response. Suspension and brakes. Front suspension, telescopic front forks for a balanced and comfortable ride over various road conditions. Braking system, front and rear disc brakes with single-channel ABS, anti-lock braking system, for enhanced safety and control. Comfort and convenience. Seating, ergonomically designed seat with improved padding for rider and pillion comfort on longer rides. Ergonomics, sporty yet comfortable riding posture suitable for city commuting and occasional touring. Fuel tank, 12.8-liter fuel tank capacity, providing a good range between refueling stops. Technology and connectivity. Smartphone connectivity, enhanced Bluetooth connectivity for navigation, call alerts, message notifications, and more. Navigation, integrated turn-by-turn navigation system for convenience during rides. Under-seat storage, limited under-seat storage space for small personal items. Thanks for watching.